This is what we went to Tennessee for. That's a 96 cubic inch S&S motor, a custom frame, beautiful bike. I think I'll freshen it up. The wiring isn't the best. This is the blinkers, and that's not cool. So we'll put some the correct blinkers on it. Probably get another set of these and put them up there on the front underneath the bars, and we'll get that one cleaned up and get it ready. It's a 2004 custom. One that we got yesterday down in Georgia. This is a 2008. Now it had originally had an SS motor in it, 111 I think it was. Could be wrong. But somewhere along the line they took that S&S motor out and put this 103 Harley motor in it, and it supposedly only has 1,000 miles. Those wheels are $1,000 a piece. The rubber is brand new. The paint is pretty, but it has orange peel. I'm sure the camera doesn't bring that out. So I plan on taking the tins off and redoing them. Not sure if we'll do it in the same color or not. And the seat has got some wear on it. But on the way back home, we stopped by the dealership and we picked up, at Red Rivers, we picked up this bike here. It's a 2012. Dynaglide. I'm not sure what we'll do with it. It's got 46,000 miles. I'll have to give it some thought and what to do about it. I'd like to be able to get another chassis and maybe overhaul that motor, clean it up, put some chrome on it, some aluminum, buffer out, and make it look like one of those two beauties over there. That is our builds for Big Belly rebuilds. We need to start working on the property around here, getting it ready for Big Belly rebuilds. Stay tuned for our future builds. Should be pretty awesome.
What a gorgeous, gorgeous fall tree. And here comes Steven rumbling down the road. There's Daddy. This is one of my favorite trees in Cerulean during the fall. Look at that, it's got orange and green, and look at the blue sky. You can still hear Daddy down there. You're giving us a business. You're giving the business card to the sheriff.
Mm-hmm.
And why is that?
Because of our big dog we build, and he's sponsored on one of our videos.
He's
Fire up in a few weeks.
So you want the sheriff to know about our YouTube channel?
Mm-hmm. Oh, one thing is, I've never seen a green shift.
Oh, it's just a bracelet.
Is it Werner? Is that right?
Yep, it's Werner.
So Mr. Werner, Officer Werner had to come out here today to make sure that the title matched the VIN number and to get the odometer reading on the purple bike. Out of state.
You even got a computer in your pickup truck?
Yeah.
Wow.
Why are you so impressed by that, AJ?
I've heard of computers in semis, and
The cops had computers in their vehicles way before I got one in mine.
Oh yeah. Look how big this pickup truck is, AJ. Oh, so now that you have our business card, now you can find us, and eventually this footage is going to land into a video, if that's okay.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, he said he hadn't seen that video yet.
Oh,
green LEDs.
yeah, you're actually in one of our videos, actually. Yeah, but you're beardless.
Beardless.
He's so impressed. He's so impressed.
Well, one thing is, that is the one that you're sponsored in, but it doesn't come right away.
It don't come right away.
What I mean by that is the pictures of you doesn't come right away. It's closer to the end.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been a slow go. We've had some setbacks with Steven's health, but we're making it happen. We're trying to get fired up pretty soon, and we'll be selling the purple bike pretty soon. Yeah. Oh, they don't even refer to them as Dodge?
Dodge Rams for 50 years.
Huh.
But then they decided to take the Dodge off.
Now it just says Ram right there on the door.
Yep, that's what it said, Ram.
Right there on the door. See, zoom in on it.
No, I'm not going to do that, AJ.
This is a big boy.
It is a big truck.
Look, it's got the load controls in here.
What do you mean by that?
Well, they're like, see those things there?
Mm-hmm.
You can set it wherever you want to keep your load from sliding back and forth. That's called a load lock.
Oh,
Just like in a van.
right. Why you came out here with a coat on, I don't know. Hey, AJ, you got a friend in the sheriff? Look at that. You look so professional hanging out with a cool man, huh? With that uniform.
Oh, I do have a tie.
You got a tie?
Yeah, tell him about the bald spot on your head, AJ.
Oh, yeah. Tell him what you did, AJ, before I get a picture. Tell him what you did. Tell him.
I took my dad's razor while I was supposed to be in the shower, and I was about to carve a cross into my head, but I was like, uh-oh, and I just stopped, and as soon as I came out, I was like, why didn't you tell me there was a place on my head where my hair wasn't growing?
Yeah, he just shaved. He just shaved his head. All right.
Be like, oh.
Like really, you got a bald spot on your head? Yeah, and when it was fresh, it was really bad when it was fresh.